What is the true origin of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system? Imagine a world without the numbers we use every day. No zero to hold a place or make calculations easier. It might seem hard to picture, but this system has a fascinating history that changed how humans count and calculate forever. The story begins in ancient India, where mathematicians started creating the numerals we now recognize. Between the 1st and 4th centuries CE, they developed these symbols from the Brahmi script, which dates back to the 3rd century BCE. Early Indian numerals didn't have the concept of zero or a place value system. Over time, Indian scholars refined their system, adding zero as both a placeholder and a number. This was a major breakthrough because it made calculations much simpler and more flexible. By the Gupta period, around the 4th to 6th centuries CE, the numerals looked quite similar to what we see today. The Gupta Empire played a big role in spreading these numerals across India, making them more widespread. Then, around the 8th and 9th centuries, traders and scholars carried the Indian system into the Arab world. Arab mathematicians like Al-Khwarizmi and Al-Kindis studied and promoted these numerals, writing influential texts that explained their advantages. Al-Khwarizmi's work was especially important because it introduced the system to a wider audience and showed how useful it was for algebra and calculations. The numerals were called Gubar numerals in the Arab world, named after the dust boards used for calculations. These boards allowed people to write, erase, and rewrite numbers easily, making calculations faster. From the Arab world, the system made its way into Europe during the Middle Ages, especially through translations of Arabic texts. The Italian mathematician Fibonacci helped popularize the numerals with his book Liber Abaci, published in the 12th century. At first, Europeans resisted replacing Roman numerals, but the practicality of the Hindu-Arabic system won them over. Its simplicity made arithmetic faster and more accurate, which was essential for trade, science, and everyday life. Over time, the system became the standard in Europe and eventually all around the world. Today, you can see these numerals everywhere, from clocks and phones to price tags and computers. They are a universal language of numbers, connecting cultures and centuries. The true origin of this system lies in the creative work of ancient Indian mathematicians, who introduced the idea of zero and place value. Arab scholars then adopted and spread it, and Europeans embraced it for its usefulness. This journey shows how a simple idea can travel across borders and change the way humanity understands and uses numbers forever.